Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. This is the second episode of our series Health Wellness, where I'll let you know about the 5 tips that you may apply on your daily life to have a better and a healthy life. So guys, my first tip for this video or for this second episode is eat fish to help your heart. Eating fish just once or twice a week may significantly reduce the risk of the heart attack. The protective value of fish comes primarily from the type of the polyunsaturated fatty acid called omega-3s found in its oil. So guys, that was my first tip for the healthy life. Guys, what you have to do, here is the portion for the self-analysis. Just do the self-analysis, and at the end of the video I will ask you how many points you have gained. And the second tip is, if you are trying to lose weight, eat food with a high water content. Fruit and vegetables and the dishes made with them, such as stews and the smoothies, as well as soups, can help you cut down on the calories and still feel satisfied. So guys, that was my second tip. Now we are going to our third tip of this video. A glass of nearly any orange juice will supply at least the daily RDA for the vitamin C. Freshly squeezed juice usually has the most vitamin C, followed by the frozen and the canned, which retains their vitamin C for a month. Then by chilled carton and unrefrigerated drink boxes. Always check the sell before date. The fresher the juice, the more C. So guys, that was my third tip for the healthy life. Now I will share with you my fourth tip, and this is drink vegetable juice. But don't expect it to replace whole vegetable in your diet. Vegetable juice are fairly rich in vitamins and the minerals, but low in calories. For instance, 6 ounces typically contain about 60% of the RDA for the vitamin C and nearly half the suggested daily intake of the beta carotene. But vegetable juice provides a little fiber, about a gram in 6 ounces. Commercial varieties tends to have a lot of sodium. So guys, that was my fourth tip. Now we are going to our fifth tip for the healthy life. Eat at least 3 servings of a whole grain a day to reduce your risk of the heart diseases, stroke and the type 2 diabetes. These foods contain whole grains, cereals and the bread, oats and the brown rice. So guys, that was my fifth tip for the episode 2 to have a healthy life. Here is the detail of the tips what I have shared with you. Now guys, what you have to do, I have let you know that I have shared with you the self-analysis portion. Now this is your time. Just share with me how many points you are having according to the tips what I have shared with you in this video. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with some interesting and the other tips in the episode 3. Till that time, take care.